Now we're working on lesson 3, slope and y-intercept 8.4c. We have two examples. Either we'll have a table or we will have a graph. So on example number 1, we have a table. We have Caroline will buy the same number of stamps every month to add to a stamp collection her grandfather gave her. The table shows the number of stamps Caroline will have at the end of X month. So that means X month will be the value of X that we already have in this table, X representing for number of months, and then Y we're representing for the number of stamps. If we have a table trying to find how many stamps will Caroline was given and how many stamps will she buy every month. So we still have the keyword every. On last video, on lesson 2, we talked about per, each, every. Representing for the slope. So M representing for the slope. And then Y, we have the number of stamps. We will have that at the very beginning. That will be initial amount. At the very beginning, how many stamps that she already have. That will be the y-intercept B. But in this question, we're only looking for the M, the slope. The number of stamps every month, the unit rate. So in this case, we need to set up a table. Even we already got a table, remember we need to have our own table, vertical table, which go into the calculator. Again, we need a clear calculator. Press the top left corner, add, we press a table. And then we do have 2 order pairs. We need 2 order pairs. We can use any, but let's use the first 2. Making sure I need 1x, 1y, 1, 250, 3, 350. Calculator, same thing. By putting these 2 order pairs into the table, this is step 1. Create a table and put 2 order pairs. And then we're going to go to step 2. Put the equation y1 similar to mx1 plus b on the second line. So as what we said right here, we go to the second line, put y1, making sure y will be a y1 similar to mx1 plus b. That's my equation. We should have it in our reference chart as well. We annotated that. In this case, we have m equals 50 and b equals 200. Remember, the m is the slope or unit rate or rate of change. And we do have the keyword per, each, every. In this case, that's what we're looking for. That's the answer. Sometimes they ask you to look for the b. B is the y-intercept, which when we write it as a order pair, we'll have a 0, 200. That means in this case, that's a word problem. At month 0, before she buy any stamps, she already has 200 stamps. That's the starting point. So when we have the keyword, when we see the keyword beginning, initial, start with, that's what we're looking for. But in this case, in this question, they give us keyword per, each, every here. That means this 50 will be my answer. Then we go to example number 2. If they do give us a graph, that will be the same thing. Making sure you follow the steps. 1, create a table, right? Step number 1 is a table, 2 order pairs. In this case, we do have the two ordered pairs. Somebody said if I can use the order pair that I read on the graph. Absolutely. If you can read on a clear crossing point, if you want to read that order pair, go for it. It will work as well. But in this case, the easiest way is using the two that we already have. We have a -6 and 0, and we also have a 2 and -2. But like other people were saying, can I use this order pair right here on the grid, -2 and -1? Yes, you can. Somebody would say, I want to use this 6 and -3. Yes, that will also work. So that's step number 1, any two order pairs. Number 2, y1 similar to mx1 plus b, right? That would be my equation. So clear my calculator, restart it, go to the left corner, click on the table, put my first two order pairs, -6 and 0, 2 and -2. Then my equation y1 similar to mx1 plus b. Then I should have m equals -0.25, b equals -1.5. Remember, this one is the slope, this one is the y-intercept. Writing it as an ordered pair, we'll have a -0, -1.5. So, this question, what are the slope and y-intercept? So they're asking us to find both. So if they give you a drag and drop question, you should be able to match this number as the slope, this number as the y-intercept. If they ask you to put it as an ordered pair, should be able to find out 0, -1.5 should be my y-intercept. Thanks for watching.